Welcome to another session of Go Ask Debbie. Starting with Excel 2013, checking for duplicates became so easy. I remember the day when I had to actually get different software or play with Excel for hours to actually check for duplicates. So now we can do this in one quick step. The duplicates feature will allow us to remove duplicates based on certain things. So you may not get exactly what you're looking for, but you'll pretty much be able to remove duplicates in one step. So we're simply going to highlight the area from which we'd like to remove the duplicates and select the Data tab from the ribbon, and then select Remove Duplicates. Select the columns that you want to check for duplicates. The Select All and Unselect All tools can help you manage a large list of columns. The My Data Has Headers box indicates whether the list includes header rows. You don't want to dedupe a header. And then once you've made your changes, click the OK button. Excel will notify you of how many duplicates are removed. It's really that simple. Thanks for taking this session of Go Ask Debbie. And be sure to subscribe for more tips like this one.